Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I am sitting in a 2008 Dodge Nitro, and in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the blower motor. This video will apply to Dodge Nitros made from 2007 all the way up to 2012. Most common symptom of a bad blower motor is either blower not working at all when you turn this knob, or in my case, my blower motor is making a high-pitched noise, which is really making me crazy, so that's why I'm replacing it. I'm not sure if you can hear it on the video, but it's actually quite loud. Front blower motor on Dodge Nitro is located on the passenger side, just under the glove box right here. So first thing you'll have to do, you will have to remove this cloth piece, and that way you will get access to the blower motor. Okay, so to start, first you will want to remove two plastic trim screws which are holding this cloth piece. One will be here, another one just here on the other side. Now the idea is to use like a flat screwdriver to screw out the middle piece, and then ideally that should just pop out, but unfortunately often that's not the case, so this can be quite difficult to remove. But first what you want to do, just get a flat screwdriver and try to get this middle piece at least a bit out. If not, try to squeeze your flat screwdriver under that piece to get it out. You'll have to play with this for a while, but that's just how it is. Okay, so I was able to get this middle piece out, unscrew it and push it out with my flat screwdriver. And now I'm just gonna try using pliers to completely like remove it. Okay, so that's the idea. Once you have both of these out, you can just safely remove this cover piece and get it off the way. And like I said, now you will get access to the blower motor itself. Okay, now I've got a brand new blower motor right here. I got it actually from Amazon for like 40 bucks. I hope it's gonna work for that amount of money. Now the first thing you have to do, I will show you here first. You'll have one wire to disconnect, one connection, and you will have three mounting screws to remove, so one on each side. Okay, to remove the mounting screws you will need a Torx T20 screwdriver or a Torx T20 socket. Now the first screw you want to remove will be just here. Once you have that screw out, there will be two more, just like I said. One will be just there in a corner, and the third one will be on the back side. So remove both of those screws. Once the screws are removed, you can lower down the blower motor, and now it's gonna be much easier just to disconnect it. Okay, to disconnect the wiring, you will have a small white clip just here on the top. So what you want to do, you want to press it down and pull this connection out. Okay, just like that. And this is how you can remove the front blower motor from Dodge Nitro. What I will suggest next, just get your new blower motor, and before putting everything back together, make sure to test it. And you will do that just by plugging it in, starting the vehicle, and then see if the new blower motor will actually turn or make any noises. Okay, now to test it, like I said, the new blower motor is connected, my Dodge Nitro is running, and now I will just turn this blower knob to make sure this blower motor actually works and is not making any noise. and as you can see, everything is good to go. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.